Hello my friends, welcome to Joystick. In this video, I will show you how to install Pygame in Python 3.14 on Windows 11. Pygame is a popular library for building games in Python. Let's install it the right way. First, let's make sure Python and PIP are installed correctly. To do that, you are going to click on the Windows icon and in the search bar type cmd. Once the command prompt appears in the search, click on it. Once the command prompt opens, just type Python space --version. Hit enter and then type pip space --version. Hit enter. If you don't see Python 3.14 or if pip is not recognized on your system, don't worry. I have already made separate videos on installing Python 3.14 and installing pip correctly on Windows 11. I have linked both of them in the description below and you can also find them in the I button. Watch those first, follow the steps in there and then come back here. But if you see the Python and pip versions here, that means everything is set up correctly, you are good to go. Now let's create a clean project folder for Pygame. I am going to create that folder in my desktop, but you can choose to create it wherever you want. So using the mkdir command, I am going to create a folder called pygame_project. You can see pygame_project has been created on my desktop. Now using the cd command, we are going to go inside it. Now we will install Pygame inside a virtual environment so it doesn't affect other projects. The command to create a Python virtual environment is very simple. It is python space -m venv and the name of the virtual environment. Let's call it pygame_venv. Hit enter. If this command doesn't throw any error, that means virtual environment is successfully created. There you go. Let's activate the virtual environment now. How to do it? You are going to type pygame_venv, that's the name of the virtual environment, /scripts, that's with capital S, activate. Hit enter and you can see the virtual environment has become active. Now let's install Pygame. So you will write pip install Pygame. Hit enter. Okay, the installation has started. Aha, it has run into an error. So if you are using Python 3.14 and Pygame fails to install, that's expected. Because the main Pygame package does not yet have official wheels for Python 3.14. So what is the fix? We install Pygame Community Edition. We write pip install pygame-c. Hit enter. The installation has begun. Oh, it ended very quickly. Let's test its installation. So we are going to start a Python prompt and let's import Pygame. If this import is successful, then we can say that we have successfully installed Pygame Community Edition. There you go. It says Pygame-c 2.5.6. The version matches with what we have installed and this proves that we have successfully installed Pygame. Let's move out of the Python prompt and finally we are going to deactivate the virtual environment because that's a very good practice. And with this we have come to the end of this video. We were not able to install the main Pygame module in Python 3.14 on Windows 11, but we compensated it by installing the Pygame Community Edition. I hope you liked this fix. I hope you liked this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.